What's going on, guys? HowToAdvance back with another video. And today I'm going to show you. Make sure to smash the like button and subscribe, and check out the description box below. Now let's get into the video. Just because the TV screen is cracked doesn't mean you have to go out and buy a brand new TV set. You can hire a contractor to repair a cracked TV screen without leaving your house. Continue reading to learn how to replace a broken LED TV screen. How to replace a TV screen. There are many different types of TV screens, and providing as many details as possible to your repair contractor will help them complete the job efficiently and effectively. The TV manufacturer and type of TV, for example, LED, LCD, 3D, or flat screen, are extremely useful to the professional performing the repair. It's much easier to get someone to come to you to fix or remove the screen. Repair shops are scarce, and a television is a large item to transport. How to repair a faulty 3D TV screen. A broken 3D TV screen usually costs around $100 to repair, but some contractors may charge more or less. The cost of repairing the screen is heavily influenced by the manufacturer of the television set. 3D and 4K TV repair costs are likely to be the highest, while a simple LED screen will be slightly less expensive. How to repair a faulty LED TV screen. Because LED TV screens are so fragile, they are the most common type of TV repair. Cracked and broken TV screen pranks are more likely in a busy household with young children, but they can happen to anyone. Although most manufacturers design their models not to shatter, it is still critical that you have it repaired as soon as possible because it could still be a hazard. You'll be disappointed if you're wondering how to fix a cracked TV screen at home. It's a big job that necessitates specialized knowledge. There are some minor repairs that you can do on your own, but repairing a broken flat-screen TV screen is not one of them. How to repair a flat-screen TV screen. Although repairing a flat-screen TV is often less expensive than repairing a curved screen, it is still a major undertaking. If there is only a minor crack or chip, the professional may be able to repair the TV in your home that day, but if the problem is more serious, they may need to take it to a repair shop. The best way to get your flat-screen TV repaired is to contact a professional and request a quote. Because it necessitates a high level of electrical knowledge, it is not a job that most people can complete as a do-it-yourself project. How to replace a light bulb in a flat-screen TV. A blown bulb on your LCD TV can be inconvenient, but anyone who is comfortable with DIY should be able to fix it. You may need to order the lamp from the manufacturer or find it online, but other than that, all you'll need is a screwdriver. If you need to replace a bulb in your flat-screen TV, follow these steps. Remove the television from its position and lay it flat with the back facing up. Take extra precautions when removing the TV to avoid causing additional damage. Remove the back panel with a screwdriver and set it aside. Make a safe place for the screws so you don't lose them. Lift the burned-out lamp's small metal handle and pull it out of the fixture. Place the new lamp gently into the fixture, making sure the small metal handle is visible. Screw the panel back in place and carefully reinstall the TV. How to repair lines on a flat-screen TV. If you see the dreaded flat-screen TV lines across the front of your favorite show, it means your screen is broken. The cracks can be small and difficult to see at times, but once you see colored vertical lines in front of you, there's no turning back. How to change the screen on a Samsung LCD TV. The average cost of repairing a 55-inch Samsung TV screen is $160, but this varies depending on the contractor. Investing in an engineer with specialized training for Samsung LCD screens is the most prudent course of action, though it will most likely cost a little more than a generic professional. Given that a new large TV is significantly more expensive than having the screen replaced, there's no reason to get a new set if it's just a cracked screen. If you need a TV repair contractor to replace a cracked or broken screen, contact a local professional who can help. Thank you for watching the entire video. Good luck and stay tuned.